Hello students, I am Srikant sir. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Now see this picture of Shahid Bhagat Singh. We all know him and his sacrifices for our country. Now let's know some more things about Shahid Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was born to Vidyavati Kaur and Sardar Kishan Singh Sandhu on 28 September 1907 in Banga, Punjab. Now it's in Pakistan. His family had earlier been involved in revolutionary activities against the British Raj. When Bhagat Singh was a teenager, his uncle Sardar Ajit Singh as well as his father were great freedom fighters. So Bhagat Singh grew up in a patriotic atmosphere. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre in Amritsar on April 13, 1919 had a profound effect on Bhagat Singh's mind. He became involved in numerous revolutionary activities. Lala Lajpat Rai killed at the hands of police. Bhagat Singh wanted revenge for this incident. He avenged the death of Lala Lajpat Rai and killed the British officer John Saunders. The police tried to capture him, however, Bhagat Singh was successful in avoiding arrest. He made a plan to bomb the Central Legislative Assembly. He partnered with Batukeshwar Dutt for this task. He bombarded the assembly with two bombs, making sure that this will not harm any person. They were shouting slogans Inqilab Zindabad of revolution and threw pamphlets. Do you know what is the meaning of Inqilab Zindabad? It means long live the revolution. After the bombarding, they surrendered. He was held on discharge in prison. He underwent a 116 days fast in jail, and so he did not have food for that long. He went a hunger strike in jail to protest the inhuman treatment of fellow prisoners by jail authority. In response to this determined protest, he gained nationwide support. But on March 23, 1931, Bhagat Singh was hanged in the Lahore jail with his comrades Sukhdev and Rajguru. At such a young age, if anyone was smiling just before being hanged to death, it was a martyr Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was given the title of Shahid for his sacrifice at a young age. Bhagat Singh was a great freedom fighter and also an inspirational icon of India. Now, what can we learn from Bhagat Singh? Students, we can learn lots of things from Bhagat Singh. For example, we can learn bravery and courage, selflessness and raising your voice and standing up against injustice. Thank you very much, students.